When I was first starting out, I was just a kid with a big idea. I thought all I need to do is follow my heart and work hard, and I can make things happen. That's how I built my business from the ground up. As my business grew, I learned that a big part of my success depended on how well I collected and used information. I was doing it all myself. Invoicing, market analysis, product development, shipping, contracts, lots of processes and financial things you don't think about when you're just starting out. I use insights and the visualizations created by Watson Analytics to schedule deliveries, perfectly time product launches, reduce operating costs among my small staff, find new customers, and avoid a lot of the pitfalls I used to deal with. It's free. I don't have to be a statistician to use it, and the visualizations make the insights I need brilliantly clear. Watson Analytics helps me use my data to grow a business I'm proud of. And to me, that's a dream come true.